They say, your presence is the most precious gift you can give any other human being. But do you believe it to be true? I dare that I can make sense to 8 out of 10 non believers with what will be my closing statement of this video. So, hang on. You must have already heard that human beings are social animals. But do you think that we are termed thus because we can talk or because we can use social media? No, not at all. It is because human beings are the only creatures who can actually share, who can actually take part in another human being's life. And so, we need to be present in the life of others. What do I mean? I mean that we need to invest our time, our resources, our energy in the life of others. And the more we do this, the more humane we become. For example, if I start working in a hospital, at the end of the very first week, I will realize that I have become a little more kind, a little more alert, better sensitive to the needs of others. As a Salesian, I find no one better than Don Bosco himself, whose feast we celebrate today, to be someone who can be a model in this virtue of being present. He is known as the father of all youngsters, and it is not just because he loved them. He gave them good morals, he gave them technical training, he gave them everything that they required to stand up on their own feet. And I quote him, "Here in your midst, I feel completely at home. Living for me means being here with you." He was with his youngsters, with those whom he loved intensely. In front of his eyes, he saw nasty boys turn into models of inspiration. This is what presence can achieve. Till here, we have established why we need presence. But let us now see what quality of presence we'll require. First of all, our presence should be complete. And to best explain this to you, I need to show you what not has to be done.
Ambrose,
Yes,
Ambrose,
yes, Ray, I'm listening. Tell.
bro, I failed in my exams, yaar.
That's good news, bro. Continue the great work.
My best friend is not talking to me.
Arey, that's awesome, bro. Very good. Second, our presence must be active. We need to find ways and means which will add meaning into the life of others. Thirdly, our presence must be soothing. The other person must want you to be in their lives. If your presence is a pain in the backside for that person, this whole quality of being present with them will backfire. Fourthly, our presence must be positive. Always remember, we are preparing ourselves and others to be the humans for tomorrow, and we don't want gangsters for tomorrow. I shall end with a very interesting anonymous quote. Making me happy doesn't require a lot of effort. Actually, it just needs your presence. Guys, this quote holds a lot of magic, truth, and emotion. Making someone truly happy is this simple and this easy. This happiness goes much beyond anything that money can ever buy. It just requires your presence. If you are still not convinced with the first quote that I told you, that presence is the most precious gift you can give any other person, I dare you to put yourself in the shoes of a mother or a father who has just lost their child. Their child lies in front of them, dead. How do you feel? when no words can comfort them. The presence of a trusted friend with them will speak a lot, because they know that there is someone with them, someone for them in their difficult times. All the best, and strive to be a human redefined. Hi guys, if you have loved this video, please do pass it on to your friends, family members and other loved ones, because if you have loved it, I'm sure even they will love it. The comment sections down below is waiting for you to type something in it, and I am also very eager to listen from you. So till the next video, see you.
Stay tuned.